tricky aspect of glazing can be how to hold your pot securely without getting fingerprints messing up the glaze application. So today I'm showing you one method for achieving an even glaze application. I'm using magnets. This method is useful if you're first glazing the inside of your vessel and then you're going to dip the outside. And it's particularly useful when you can't easily grip the base of the pot. So you'll need some strong magnets. On the inside of the vessel, I'm using a combination of disc magnets that are about a 6 kilo pull force. On the outside, I'm using a hook magnet that's pretty convenient for lifting. This one has a 9 kilo pull force. It's a matter of trial and error, and it's important that you test the lift and strength before you start glazing. Remember, you're going to encounter added adhesion and pressure from the glaze, so you might need some extra lifting strength to lift the pot out of the glaze. In terms of handling magnets, there are a few things to consider. Strong magnets will snap together and can damage whatever is in between, so take care of your fingers. Neodymium magnets are surprisingly fragile and can break when they snap together. When they break, they can be super sharp. Magnets can interfere with pacemakers, so keep them away from anyone who has a pacemaker. Another consideration is that strong magnets can affect electronic devices or erase data. Take care with your credit cards too. When you're using magnets, you need to consider that magnets have polarity, so you have to use them the right way facing. If your glaze is fragile, use a thin piece of plastic between the glaze and the magnets. Using magnets this way is going to work better on pots that have an even thickness of base. And I can't stress enough that you must check that your pot is secure before you lift it into glaze. When you want to separate magnets, slide them apart carefully rather than pulling them apart, and when putting them together, avoid letting them slam together. When you store your magnets, you can store them with paper in between to ease separating them. And after use, clean your magnets carefully as they can corrode. Handle your magnets carefully, use the right strength of magnet, and this method of glazing is magic. Why not watch our bowl video, the project that got me thinking about magnets? And, as always, happy potting!